debugger project whose program is already flashed on the target without having to reflash the program each time. One way to do this is to launch what is called a project-less debug session. This can be done by simply right-clicking on the target configuration file in the target configuration view and selecting Launch Selected Configuration. This will launch the debugger for the target. Now I can manually connect to the target and select the option to load symbols and choose the symbols for the project. And this will load just the symbols for the program. Once the symbols are loaded, the debugger can associate the symbols with the program that's already in Flash. The source file is opened with the program counter at the current location of the halted program. Another way to debug an existing program in Flash is to modify your launch configuration so that only symbols are loaded when you debug the project. This can be done by going to the debug configuration for your project and selecting the Load Symbols Only option under the Program tab. Once the changes are applied, every time the debug button is used to debug the project, it will simply load the symbols instead of flashing the program. This option may be more convenient than the one we showed earlier if you prefer to use the debug button to debug your project and automate the process.